Lucerne, are you ready? Alright then. Now we're gonna lively up the place right now. My name is Smiley. I'm gonna come lively up with some nice reggae music. And I know you love reggae music, right?
Oh, Miss Sassy, so glamorous and sexy. She only wears designers' clothes and attributes, yeah. She loves the glamour and the fame and the boom. She only wears designer shoes. She makes many men confused.
Also willkommen zum Interview.
Und jetzt bin ich nicht mehr alleine hier im Studio 1 in Nein. Vis-à-vis von mir ist der Smiley. Welcome, Smiley. Nice to have you.
Yeah, man, Jeremiah, big up yourself. Big up all the listeners of Radio Driver. You don't know. Big up, bless up, man.
How are you?
I'm fine, man. We're getting ready for the show tonight at Bar 59. Want everybody to come out and celebrate with me this one good vibe, you know what I mean?
And now we hear a song from you. We start with the Celebrate. And I would say here, the stage is yours.
Hey, hey, life can be great, great. Don't hesitate, no. Let's celebrate. Stop the fussing, celebrate. Stop the stressing, yes, it's great, great. Don't hesitate, no. Let's celebrate. Stop the fussing, celebrate. Stop the stressing now. Got no money but many bills to pay. I'm in the writer's block trying to write all day. Nothing coming true, nothing coming my way. I got to find a place to put my worries away. Some me put on me dancing shoes, gonna free up. I said me have nothing to lose.
And you're on a little tour now. You have a new album. It's out since March, and
yeah,
it's called Traffic Lights. Why did you choose this title?
Traffic Light album, because of the traffic light, the colors of the traffic light. You know, you have red, orange, and green. So I use it as a metaphor with life situations and circumstances. Like red means alert, you know, something's going on, just like the red light is burning now. And orange, doubt, you know what I mean? Like who has doubt in the mind? Shall I go? Shall I not go? And green means everything is gonna be alright. We go, you know? We press green, we just, you know it is, man. You can go through. Cities burning, bombs are falling, poor people starving while leaders are earning. Terrorists on the run, innocent lockdown, killing people turn a common action, yo. Every day's a different day, but same news. Mother Earth a provide and still get abused. Man to man got nothing to lose. Self-destruction's the way them choose. Sound the alarm, every man and every woman. Come together, make a joyful sound. Come together and sing along to this one. Hey, woy yo, woy ya ya ya, woy yo yo yo, woy yo, woy ya ya ya.
Cities burning, bombs are falling, poor people starving while leaders are earning. Terrorists on the run, innocent lockdown, killing people then a common action, yo. Every day's a different day, but same news. Mother Earth a provide and still get abused. Man to man got nothing to lose. Are you ready? Sound the alarm, every man and every woman. Come together, make a joyful sound. Come together and sing along to this one. Hey. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Big money bag, gata get. A big money bag, wow, wow. Big money bag, gata get. Yo, Lucerne, what do you want to do with money? You may want pile up money, whitewash money, invest money like mad. Hey, export money cause things ain't funny. Me work for the money that me have, yeah. All those years I'm breaking my back, watching so many things pass me by. Now I've got to get back on track. Hey! I want to feel the energy and the vibe tonight. You know, because I love the vibes of Lucerne. So I love being here. Do you love me being here? Hey, Lucerne! Hey! Police are coming, yes, I'm in war. Come here for him worry. Hot fire will come in on. When I say hot fire, you'll say burn. Hot fire. When I say hot fire, you'll say burn.